At Sigga Technologies, anticipating the needs of complex enterprise environments is our job. After all, we're the leader in mobile EAM with the industry's most productive, cost-reducing, fully SAP-certified EAM software. Heard all this before? That's because a lot of companies promise one thing and deliver another. Not us. Not at Sigga. We make big claims, and we produce even bigger results in dollars, in work hours, and in productivity, in every way that our global customers demand. And frankly, we have too much integrity and way too much industry expertise to do anything else. We know our products can simplify how you plan and schedule, improve how you manage warehouse and inventory, and mobilize your asset management. Because every day, Sigga prepares our customers for their future, the future of work.